To set up Two Factor Authentication, or 2FA, you'll need a 2FA app. You can download these from the App or Play Store. We recommend Authy or Google Authenticator. In this video, we'll be using Google Authenticator. Once you have the 2FA app installed on your device, you're ready to pair it with your Luno app. Make sure you're signed in to your Luno app. From the profile screen, click the Security tab. Tap on Two Factor Authentication. Tap on Get Started. You'll be presented with a long string of numbers. This is unique to you, so don't share this with anyone. You'll need this key to set up your 2FA. Copy this by tapping the copy icon. Now, open your Google Authenticator app and tap on Begin to get started. Tap Manual Entry. In the Account field, type your email address used for your Luno account. Hold down to paste your unique key into the Key field. Tap the tick icon to continue. You'll now see a 6-digit code. This code refreshes every 30 seconds. Tap and hold the 6-digit code to copy it to your clipboard. Open your Luno app and tap I've done this. Enter the 6-digit code. If this fails, you may have waited too long and timed out. You'll need to reopen your Authenticator app. Press and hold the refreshed 6-digit code to copy it to your clipboard. Once that's copied, reopen your Luno app and paste in the new code. Mission success! You have successfully enabled 2FA.